Let's get familiar with the overall structure of the AdWords interface. Understanding the basic layout of what you see when you log into AdWords will help you to manage and optimize your account much more efficiently and set you on the road to pay-per-click success. Generally, the interface is divided into 6 navigation tabs. These tabs are where you'll navigate through the various features of your account, and they include Home, Campaigns, Opportunities, Tools and Analysis, Billing, and My Account. The Home tab acts as an account dashboard, giving you highlights of your account's performance with a number of modules that you can move around, customize, and even delete. You'll also see some alerts about your account and general announcements that may be relevant to you. What you'll probably find, though, is that although this page can be useful for a quick overview of things, for daily management and optimization, you'll find yourself spending most of your time on the Campaigns tab. The layout of the Campaigns tab starts with an account tree in the left sidebar. The tree is designed to give you a quick way to navigate through multiple campaigns and ad groups. Here, we're just getting started building our account, and you can see we've only got one campaign and one ad group. But as you build more and more, you'll be able to expand and contract these folders to quickly find what you're looking for. This left-hand sidebar is also where you'll find the shared library that we'll use during this course. When you're not using this left-hand pane, you can always collapse it to give yourself some more space in the main area. The main section of the Campaigns tab is where all the action happens, and in this section you'll see another set of subtabs. We'll be using many of these for the rest of this course, but let's take a quick look at the major components. First, note that for most of these subtabs, you'll have a pretty similar layout. The top starts with a graph that you can customize to plot and compare several metrics related to the particular tab that you're viewing. Note that you can apply filters and segments. You can download the data that you're looking at, and you can even customize the columns to show whatever metrics are important to you. Note that you have subtabs for each level of the AdWords hierarchy: campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads, and the different subtabs will have some different drop-down options. For example, if I'm on the Keywords tab, my Details drop-down will show me my search terms reports. This won't show up in the other tabs since it's specific to the keyword level. You'll also see a Settings tab here, which is one we'll spend a lot of time on when it comes time to create our first campaign. The Ad Extensions tab is where you'll go to manage the ad extensions we'll talk about in a later video. And the Dimensions tab allows you to see your data by a number of different useful segments like time of day, day of week, geographies, and even more. Moving to the next tab, Opportunities, you'll see a long list of recommended actions you can take in your account, along with some estimates around what might happen if you took those actions. Of course, in this example, we don't have any data yet, so the only recommendation Google is making for us at this point is to enter our billing information. Next up is the Tools and Analysis tab. Now here you don't have a main screen, but instead a list of some of the most useful tools that you'll be using as you build and manage your campaigns. We'll be looking at a number of these in detail later in the course, but for now, just know that it's under this tab that you'll find things like the Keyword Planner tool, your conversion definitions, and links to some other useful Google accounts like Google Analytics. Moving over one more tab to the right is the Billing tab. As the name suggests, this is where you go to find all things billing related. From here, you can set up and edit your payment options under the Billing Preferences and review your balances and past payments in the Billing Summary area. Last but not least is the My Account tab. You'll find 4 options under this section: Account Access, Linked Accounts, Notification Settings, and Preferences. This is the place you'll go for administrative tasks like granting access to your account to others or telling Google when and how you want to be contacted about various alerts and notifications. Understanding the basic structure of the AdWords interface is one of the first steps to successfully managing your AdWords account. As you work more and more in this interface, you'll find that navigating to where you need to be becomes quick and easy, and understanding where to find what you need will help you be more efficient when you're creating, maintaining, and optimizing your campaigns.